Today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. Yo, what's up, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, welcome for the first time. I'm taking a break from my truck camper so that I can finish my RV build. The last time you saw me working on this, I released a video that showed me building everything out, and it looked like it was done, and I said the tour video was coming soon. But there's a couple little things I need to finish before it's ready for the tour video. So I'm just gonna go down the list of everything I need to do and show it to you guys, and then I'm just gonna check off everything on the list and knock it all out today. So let me show you what we gotta do. All right, first things first, this is the window that's right next to the door, and I still never did the border on this, and I never put a window cover on it like these other windows over here. Same thing on all of these windows on this side of the trailer. These are still the original window shades, so I need to make these match the ones that I have over there. Up next, I need to put a border on this mantle because you can still see the cutout space, and I never covered that up. Then for the kitchen, there's no cover on this trash can cabinet. There's no cover on this wall right here, so you can see the drawer that comes in and out. There's no handle on the drawer, and there's no trim around the counter, so you can actually see the plywood edges. So I'm just gonna call all of this kitchen covers. And then right above the TV cabinet, I never made doors for these cabinets up top, so all my stuff is just hanging out and it can fall out at any time, so I gotta make those doors. Then on the floor in the bathroom, I never made floor transitions from this type of floor to this type. Never did it on the corners either. So I've got floor transitions and this wall transition as well. And then the last thing, and probably the biggest thing, is here in the shower, I never actually finished putting up this corrugated metal because I needed one more piece and they ran out of it at the store. So I never put it behind the shower faucet. So I'm gonna take this part down, put up the rest of this corrugated metal, and then put that back up. There you go. Now you've seen what it is that I need to knock out in order to finish this trailer. So I'm gonna go down this list, get all this stuff done. I'm taking you with me. Let's go. One of the biggest questions that I get on this YouTube channel is, am I self-taught? Who taught me how to do all this stuff? And other questions like that. And I figure it's a good time to talk about the sponsor of today's video, Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with literally thousands of online classes for curious and creative people like myself. I've personally taken classes on woodworking, plumbing, electrical engineering, and of course, filmmaking. I recently finished a course called YouTube Success by MKBHD. I'm sure you've heard of him. He's one of the biggest influencers over here on the YouTube platform, and I've been using courses just like his to help improve my filmmaking skills and just overall improve the quality of the videos that I bring to YouTube. So I've teamed up with Skillshare, so the first 1,000 people to use the link in my description will get a free trial of the Skillshare Premium membership, and after that it's only around $10 per month. And like I said, this is the membership that I've personally been using for the last couple of years. So yet again, thanks to Skillshare for sponsoring this video, and make sure you check that link in my description for your free trial. So I'm on a new round of my team up with Skillshare, so the first 1,000 people to use the link in my description will get a free trial of the Skillshare Premium membership. And I gotta say, thanks again to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. Now let's finish up the build. 57 degrees. One thing that's on this list that I'm not going to be able to finish, and that is the shower wall. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and end this video here because I need a little bit more time to set up the shower wall. However, I need to put this video out today. Thank you guys for watching this all the way to the end. Make sure you check out dualxbuilds.com. It's a website I just kind of set up so I can throw out all of my build plans for stuff that I'm working on right now. It's all free if you want to check it out. I'll be back very soon with a tour video. I'm finally ready to do it. As you can see, finished all the little tiny things on this trailer. So I'll see you in the tour. Later.
Never at ease, I don't know a limit. Chasing a dream, I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me the evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, when no love goes. Women buddy like it's been